Arjun was known as a smart man. He read books, watched motivational videos, listened to podcasts every day. Yet, his life felt stuck. No matter how much advice he consumed, nothing seemed to change. He complained often. "I know so much," he said, "but life is still difficult." One weekend, Arjun visited an old teacher who lived outside the city. The teacher was quiet, calm, and strangely content. Arjun sat in front of him and said, "Teach me how to fix my life." The teacher nodded. Without saying a word, he picked up a cup and began pouring tea. The tea filled the cup. Then it reached the top. But the teacher kept pouring. Tea overflowed onto the table, then onto the floor. Arjun jumped up. "Stop," he said. "The cup is already full." The teacher smiled. "So are you." Arjun looked confused. The teacher said calmly, "You come to learn, but your mind is full of opinions, complaints, and excuses. There is no space left." Arjun felt uncomfortable because the words were true. He always blamed time, blamed people, blamed situations. He wanted change without letting go of old habits. The teacher continued, "You don't need more knowledge. You need less noise." He pointed to the empty cup. Only when it is empty can it hold something new. Arjun stayed silent. For the first time, he didn't argue. That night, Arjun returned home and did something unusual. He didn't open his phone, didn't watch videos, didn't read advice. He just sat quietly and listened. The next day, instead of learning something new, he practiced something old. He listened more, spoke less, reacted slower. Nothing magical happened overnight, but slowly his mind felt lighter because he stopped trying to add more and started to remove what didn't serve him. Final message. Growth is not always about filling your life. Sometimes it's about emptying it. Let go of noise. Let go of ego. Let go of the need to always be right. Only then real change begins.